Hi, this is Alex from Beech Garage on offer. We've got this delightful 1962 MGA Roadster, finished in stunning tartan red. Really is a very bright car, presents extremely well. There's a big history file with the car, which includes the old buff logbook, which is nice to see, plus some photographs from a restoration that I'm guessing was probably carried out about 20 years ago, maybe a bit longer, but nonetheless the car still appears extremely sound. Just give you a quick walk round of the car. As you can see, the panel fit is really good. Everything's nice and straight and rot free. The photos show the body coming off the chassis and the chassis being renovated, again all to a really good standard. These really do have to be one of the prettiest cars MG produced. The red really suits the lines of the car, and personally I quite like the fact that it's still on its standard steel wheels. Again, passenger side panel fits all good. As you can hear, cars ticking over nicely. Car's just had a couple of new batteries. Will be fully checked over before it leaves us. Being a late car, it's got the recessed grille. The badging's slightly different, showing that it's a 1600 Mark II. So disc brakes and also a different rear light treatment. This is the original number for the car, which is nice to have. Just pop the bonnet for you. Again, as you can see, everything's as it should be. Pretty standard, although useful addition of a electric fan with a thermostatic controller on it. But car runs and drives really nicely. Performed really well on road test. So all in all, a really nice, attractive example. There are a couple of little paint blemishes, given that the paint was probably applied 20 odd years ago. A couple of little bits I'll just point out as we go around the car. There's a little bit there. But apart from that, it's all pretty good. Interior must have been retrimmed at the time of the restoration. Dashboard's in nice order. Nice period motor litre wheel. Car's up to temperature now, oil pressure's all good. And as I say, it all drives extremely nicely. So there you have it. Really nice example of a late MGA Roadster in really nice condition. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Garage. Thanks for watching.